Welcome to Salonease, your all-in-one salon management solution. In this quick tour, we'll guide you through the key features designed to streamline your business and boost efficiency. Salon setup, sales management, order and payment management, staff and customer management, in-depth reporting. Let's dive in and explore how Salonease can transform your salon. First, sign up and complete the initial setup. Visit salonease.us, click Sign Up, enter the required information, and then click Sign Up. Check your email for a verification code, enter the code, and proceed by filling in the necessary details. Click Let's Onboard to continue. On this page, you will see all the key figures related to your salon. If needed, you can go to salon settings to edit or update any information. For those managing multiple salons, there is an option to create a new salon for multi-location management. To unlock the full functionality of Salonease, you can upgrade to a higher subscription plan. At the landing page management section, you will have your own landing page where customers can view your services, book appointments, and access essential salon information. You can edit your domain as needed, or if you already have a website, you can contact Salonease support for further consultation. There are also multiple landing page templates available for you to choose from, allowing you to customize the look and feel of your salon's online presence. In the user management section, you can create and manage salon users with either full or limited access, depending on their roles and responsibilities. Everything on this page can be edited later, giving you full flexibility to update your salon information as needed. At this stage, you are ready to use Salonease system. Let's move on to the management page. Simply click on Visit Your Salon. This page will help you manage the daily activities of your salon. Now, let's move on to the next section. Set up services. Here, you will see all the services, categories, and packages of your salon. You can search for an existing one by entering the name or filtering by the status of the services. Let's start with categories. You can add new categories by clicking here or here. Enter the category name, description, and an image if you have one, then click Save. Once the category is created, click on it. Here you can edit, add services, add packages, or simply delete it. Now, let's add new services. Enter all the required information, including the service name, the category it belongs to, a description if needed, its status, pricing, and duration. If you have an image, you can upload it. You can also add additional services by simply entering their name, price, and duration. Click Save. Once everything is set, click Create. Here is what we just created. You can edit it by clicking on this edit icon. If needed, you can delete it or simply set its status to inactive. Now, let's add new packages. Within each category, you can create service packages. Enter the package name, a description if needed, set its status, choose a combination of services, set the price, and upload an image if available. Once everything is ready, click Create. You can edit it by clicking on this edit icon. If needed, you can delete it or simply set its status to inactive. Above all, you can add new services, new packages, or new categories anytime by clicking here. Now, let's move on to setting up the seating plan. The seating plan displays the total seats available in your salon, showing the number of customers being served, the staff attending to them, and the services provided. To begin, go to the service queue screen, navigate to the seating plan, and click Let's Get Started. Here, you can choose to add a new seat or decide whether to display it on the service queue screen. To add a new seat, click Add a new seat. You can edit its name, set the status to active or inactive, and mark it as under maintenance or leave it as default. If needed, you can also delete the seat. Once you've made your selections, click Save. After completing these steps, your seating plan will be visible on the service queue screen. Now, let's move on to orders and payments. The process begins with customer check-in, whether they are a new or returning customer at your salon. Upon entering, you will initiate check-in by clicking the Open Check-in button or setting the front screen as the default in the device settings. the customer will enter their phone number to start using the salon services. Once the phone number is entered, a ticket will be printed, which the customer will use for their service. Once the customer has checked in, navigate to the service queue screen, where you will manage daily operations. You will then assign a staff member to provide the service. On each customer's tab, you will find the seat icon. Click on it to assign a seating location for the customer. After seating is assigned, the system will direct you to the checkout section, where you will assign a staff member to perform the services. You can select the services for the customer, or the staff can manage this through the Salon Staff app. Once completed, click Save to return to the service queue screen. On the service queue screen, you will find all service statuses, including waiting, in service, done, and canceled. You will also see the seating plan, indicating assigned customers and staff. This screen provides a quick view of the daily sales summary, cash in and cash out details for managing cash transactions, quick check-in and check-out options, the booking calendar displaying all appointments for the day, and the staff availability section, allowing you to efficiently assign employees. Now, moving on to the checkout process. Once the customer has completed their service, open the checkout session by selecting the Customer tab or Seating tab, which will lead you to the checkout screen. Here, you will find the customer's name, phone number, and membership details. You can also add notes for future visits to enhance service quality. If there are any additional services or staff involved, you can add them at this stage. In the View Cart section, you will see the assigned staff and the corresponding services. Here, you can modify the service price, change the staff in charge, and adjust compensation if needed. Before proceeding, you must click the Mark Done button to confirm that the service has been completed. Without this, checkout cannot be processed. After that, you can apply promotions, discounts, or tips if applicable. Once all details are finalized, click Pay. Select the preferred payment method, click Complete Order, and the checkout process is finished. Now let's continue with the setting. Head over to the Settings icon. Starting with the General Settings, this section allows you to configure your salon for daily operations. First, localization. Set up the country code and time zone to ensure accuracy and alignment with the specific region and time zone where your business operates. Next, sales. Configure tips, e-gift cards, discounts, and taxes to apply them at the checkout screen. At Tip, you can choose when to ask customers to tip and customize default tipping values. Additionally, you can configure employee salary payments to include tips. You might choose to display a tip option at the checkout screen and add additional tipping amounts as needed. You can also set up tip on staff's compensation by selecting a method: pay evenly, turn amount, or value of services. Once done, click Save. For e-gift cards, choose how you would like to sell gift cards and customize their settings. This will display a gift card option at the point of sale. For discounts, set the discount defaults to apply them at the checkout screen. For tax, set the tax defaults to apply them at the checkout screen. Now, let's move on to the ticket and payment settings. Here, you can customize the check-in ticket, receipt, and set up linking to a remote payment terminal. At check-in ticket, customize the content displayed on check-in tickets issued to customers. Enter the ticket name, a short description, favorite services from your available options, a thank you message, and a logo. Once done, click Save. At receipt, customize the content displayed on sales receipts issued to customers by entering all required information. For remote payment, set up linking to a remote payment terminal by adding the required details, and you're all set. Next, let's move on to the booking settings. Here you can customize preferences for customers to make bookings using the Salonease marketplace, the customer application, or the booking form on your website. Additionally, you can set up message content for sending booking reminders to customers. At online booking, choose how customers can book online by simply using the opt-out option, and you're ready to go. At SMS booking reminder template, send SMS messages to customers when they book or remind them of an upcoming appointment. You can edit the content of both the booking confirmation and the booking reminder. Once done, click Save, and you're ready to use it. Next, the Display tab. Here, set an inactive time for advertisements to redisplay if there is no user interaction at the check-in screen. You can also choose the theme displayed on the system. Moving on to the seating plan. As mentioned earlier, you can add more seating as needed for your salon. Simply click Add New Seat, and you will have additional seating available. At the Sample Data tab, during the first login, the system automatically initializes sample data based on your request. By pressing Delete, the system will remove those sample data. You can also do this by heading to the Settings icon and selecting Delete Sample Data. Now, let's go to the device settings. Head over to the Settings icon and choose Device Settings. The device role setting function on the POS machine allows you to configure and manage the role of each device within the Salonease system. Next, the staff setting, you will find the turn setting. At how the turn order works, you can choose between first come, first served, or turn rotation. In turn rotation, drag and drop staff members to set the order of turns. At turn calculation method, choose among simple turn, traditional turn, or service turn. You can also set a penalty for late arriving turns by opting in and following the instructions. Now, let's move on to the merchandise feature. Merchandise allows you to create and manage items for sale in your salon. On this screen, you can search for items and filter them by status. You can also create brands and categorize them accordingly. To add a new item, tap Add and enter the item name. Input the barcode. Choose a category if already created or create a new one. Select the brand if available or create a new one and choose the measurement unit. Enter the amount, provide a description, set the status, input the price, and upload an image. Once all details are filled in, click Add. Here is the item we just created. Now let's move on to the voucher feature. Vouchers allow you to create special offers to encourage customer retention. On this screen, you will find all the vouchers available in your salon. To create a voucher, tap Create and enter the budget, price, and quantity. Set the limit on the number of times the voucher can be used, choose its status, enter the expiration date, and upload an image. Once everything is set, click Create. Here is the voucher we just created. Now, let's move on to setting up the marketing feature, which will help you reach new audiences and retain existing customers. Starting with promotions, this feature allows you to run campaigns targeting specific customer segments. On this screen, you will see a list of all existing promotions. You can set their status to active or inactive, edit them, view details, or delete them. To create a new promotion, click Create, enter the promotion name, choose the promotion type, and complete the required details based on the selected type. Once done, click Create. Here is the promotion we just created. Now let's move on to advertisements. This feature allows you to create and manage ads for your salon. To create a new advertisement, click Create and enter the name. Choose the screen type and select the content format, which can be text, image, or video. Follow the required steps based on your selection, set the status, and submit. Here is the advertisement we just created. From this screen, you can edit or delete it from the list. Now, let's move on to the next one. Staff and customer management. First, staff management. Salonease will help you manage your staff is made easy with features that cover everything from scheduling to payroll. Starting with staff info, you can see a complete list of your staff members. You can check who is active and who is inactive, as well as view or edit details for each staff member, including their basic information and compensation. When hiring a new staff member, simply click Create, then enter their details such as name, phone number, role, email, gender, date of birth, address, designation, salary information, level, and upload their picture. After entering these details, click Next to proceed to the compensation section, follow the instructions, and complete the setup. In the Attendance tab, you can monitor staff check-ins and check-outs, helping you log attendance efficiently. In the Work Schedule tab, you can view the scheduled work hours of your staff. Setting up a schedule is simple. Just click on the desired time slot, then choose to add shift or set regular shift as needed. In the Leave Request tab, whenever a staff member submits a leave request, you, as the manager, will have the authority to approve or reject it. In the Payroll tab, you can access salary details, including a summary or a detailed breakdown of each staff member's pay. You can filter payroll data based on staff contracts, covering basic salary and service rates. If needed, you can also export this data into an Excel file. In the Performance tab, you can track your staff's performance, including revenue generated, customer ratings, and overall performance ratings. In the Designation tab, you can manage staff designations. To create a new designation, click Create, enter the name and description, select the relevant service, choose the level, and add the salary grade. If necessary, you can assign additional roles before finalizing the designation by clicking Create. In the Level tab, you can define staff titles. To add a new level, simply click Create, then enter the name and description. Now, moving on to customer management. Managing customer profiles and preferences is a vital feature of Salonease. The system allows you to personalize the customer experience and enhance customer loyalty. In the Customer tab, you will manage all customer profiles. This section displays a list of customers, which you can sort by membership level as defined. You can edit their information, view their profile, check their transaction history, review their booking history, track their rewards, and monitor their redemptions. You can also add a new customer manually. Simply click Create, enter the name, phone number, email, gender, date of birth, address, any additional notes, and an image if available. Then, click Create to save. When a customer checks in for the first time at your salon, the system will automatically store their details, and they will appear in this list. Let's now move on to the loyalty features, designed to encourage customer retention through loyalty programs. Starting with membership, this feature allows you to define different membership tiers based on customer points. To create a new membership, click Create, enter the membership name, select an icon, set the loyalty point range, define the discount rate, and submit. Once created, you can edit or delete it from the list. Next, loyalty points help customers earn more points within a specified time frame. To create a new loyalty point rule, click Create, fill in the required form, and the system will apply it automatically. Lastly, the Point Redemption Program enables customers to redeem reward points for gifts such as vouchers or discounts on their bill, applicable to pre-selected membership types. To set up a new program, click Create, complete the required form, and the system will handle the rest. Now, in the Sale tab, select the Daily Sale Summary. You can also access this from the Service Queue screen. Both will take you to the same place. Here, you'll find a list of all transactions for the day. In the Booking tab, you'll see all the appointments scheduled for the day. You can edit or cancel any appointment as needed. To add a new one, simply click Create, enter the phone number and name, select the time and services, add any necessary notes, and confirm the booking. You can also block time for a specific staff member by filling out the required form. In the Transaction tab, you'll find a complete list of all transactions in your salon. You can sort them by staff name and view transaction details by clicking on each one. In the Cancel tab, you'll see all canceled orders from your salon. You can search by customer name or phone number and filter results by a specific time range. In the Rate and Review section, you can view customer reviews. Sort them by review status, staff member, or both to manage feedback more efficiently. In the Gift Card Sold section, you'll find a record of all sold gift cards along with their transaction details. You can search by customer name or phone number and filter by a specific time range. Lastly, let's talk about detailed reporting. Salonease POS provides in-depth reports and analytics to help you manage your business more efficiently. Within this section, you'll find revenue reports that give you insights into your salon's earnings. You can track revenue, expenses, and profit, and even compare data across different time periods for a better financial overview. Additionally, You'll have access to the overview statistic, providing a snapshot of your business performance. You can also view the full transaction list and export it to an Excel file whenever needed. Revenue can be analyzed in multiple ways: by service, by category, by service package, by customer, or by merchandise, giving you a clear breakdown of your earnings. The tax report feature allows you to choose a specific time range to view tax-related data. In the staff report section, you'll find comprehensive details, including salary payments, top-performing staff, top 3, top 5, or top 10, total staff count, staff productivity, and a complete staff list. The customer report provides valuable insights into customer activity, including customer count, check-in count, top customers, and a full customer list. For service-related reporting, you can track total services, total categories, total service catalog, and the top 5 selected services. A detailed service list is also available and can be exported as needed. Merchandise reports allow you to monitor total merchandise, total categories, total brands, and the top 5 best-selling merchandise. You'll also have access to a detailed merchandise list, which can be exported for further analysis. That concludes the Salonease tour. Thank you for joining us. We hope this overview has helped you fully understand Salonease. If you have any further questions, feel free to visit us at salonease.us or reach out through the Contact Salonease option in the left corner of your salon dashboard management. Salonease, your ultimate salon management solution.